Swiss Blue Terrain Park. All right, I'm gonna hit some jumps. What? Oh, I'm just waiting for those two to move. Then I'm gonna go. I got mad air on this one, guys. Woo! Zero G's down there, but we're not doing it this run. Car. All right. Go see my channel for that one. Oh, God. The views here are insane, though. All right, lower horizon, green.
Are you rolling?
What?
Are you rolling?
You know, I'm rolling. If you hear me yapping like that, that means I'm rolling. Because next year, the school that different school goes to, what's its face? We go to Camelback in PA or Shawnee. Speaking of Shawnee, we normally don't ski on Martin Luther King Jr. Day because it's packed. But this year, we might be doing a nighttime scene at Shawnee on Sunday or Monday, so videos will be coming out then. At Shawnee, so yeah, the school I go to next year, they go to Camelback or Shawnee, depends on how they feel, and then they do like one big trip up to either Stowe or Sugarbush, or it's Smugs if they feel like it. Yeah, sayonara, let's go. I don't feel like hitting that. That looks like an ice chute. Sayonara, blue. Hey. All right, I'm just gonna bomb it and then get on matchmaker. Alright, Matchmaker, Blue Terrain Park. Hey, you don't have jumps today.